Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over how to buy Pyro. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Today on my channel, we're going over a quick video on how to buy PYROMATIC. This altcoin right here is on the Ethereum blockchain. So in order to buy Pyro, you first have to buy Ethereum. You could buy Ethereum on any crypto exchange, on crypto.com, on Coinbase, on Gemini exchange. There's multiple different ways you can buy Ethereum. You can even buy Ethereum on MoonPay. You will have to verify information if you buy Ethereum on the exchanges, but if you buy directly through MoonPay, that's probably the easiest way you could buy Ethereum right now. Once you buy Ethereum, you have to send it to your DeFi wallet. I recommend using Coinbase wallet or MetaMask. You can also use Trust Wallet or Crypto.com's DeFi wallet, but I recommend using Coinbase wallet. It's two ways you can buy Pyro. You can go directly on the website and click on Buy PYRO, and it'll take you to Uniswap and automatically create the pair for you. At the top, you have to select Ethereum, right? And then you have to connect your wallet. Here you would connect your MetaMask, your Coinbase wallet, or you can use Wallet Connect to connect your Trust Wallet or Crypto.com wallet. You can do this from the computer or you could do it from your phone. If you do it from the computer, you will have to have Google Chrome and you will have to download the MetaMask extension or the Coinbase wallet extension from the Google App Store. Once your wallet is connected, you can select how much Ethereum you want to trade for Pyro. You can either hit max at the bottom, or you can enter in the exact amount of ETH you want. Once you have selected how much ETH you want to trade for Pyro, you then have to click on this gear icon, switch the slippage to 7, and then you will be able to swap out your Ethereum for Pyro. Since I'm doing it on the computer, I would have to confirm this on my phone. If you're doing it from your phone, you can confirm it right then and you can approve the transaction. After the transaction is confirmed, you will see that you now have a balance of Pyro, that you swapped out your Ethereum for Pyro. And once that's complete, you now own Pyro. And if you ever wanted to take profits on your earnings on Pyro after buying, all you have to do is go back to Uniswap, press the middle icon, the middle arrow, swap out Pyro for Ethereum. Make sure Pyro is at the top and Ethereum is at the bottom, and you'll be able to sell your Pyro. So it's your boy Yon World. I hope that video was easy for y'all to understand. Like I said, you could do this on the computer or on your phone. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. It's your boy Yon World, and I appreciate all the support.